Threema, the secure messenger, secure anonymous private, in the top charts of paid apps. You can see it in here. So yeah, it's the world's best-selling secure messenger and keeps your data out of the hands of hackers, corporations, and governments. The service can be used completely anonymously. Threema is open source and offers every feature one would expect from a state-of-the-art instant messenger. The app also allows to make end-to-end encrypted voice, video, and group calls. Using the desktop app and the web client, you can also use Threema from your desktop. Privacy and anonymity, rock-solid encryption, comprehensive features. So full anonymity, servers in Switzerland. So kind of like seems like a Swiss software. And that's basically how you can just use it. Alternative to Telegram, which recently had some concerns about whether it's completely secure, an alternative to Signal, and kind of like European alternative to Signal, I would say. But it's just paid app. You just buy $6 and that's it. And then you can just use all the like basic functionalities in there. So it's kind of even cheaper than, you would go to Signal and upgrade to some premium. And yeah, so that's the app.